Through countless discussions about the whiteness of our community, we decided that we wanted to do something about that and address this glaring lack of racial and ethnic diversity in our field. We decided to make this organization and called it Crafting the Future. By 2020, we had partnered with almost all the major craft schools. And the idea was to eliminate any financial barrier that might have stood between these underrepresented artists and that experience. This year, we served more than 60 students, which is a lot more than the 2 we did in our first year. These scholarships are great for sort of opening the door to a career in craft, but how can we provide continued support for these artists once they arrive on the scene?
People of color are simply more likely to see opportunities as welcoming and attainable when already occupied by other people of color. The first Better Together was held during Black History Month in LA at the LA Glass Center in 2020. The idea was to provide a space where local craftspeople and entrepreneurs could pop up and sell their wares free of charge. It quickly became so much more than that. There was also local food vendors, musical performances, and a silent auction, alongside a demonstration and workshops led by 7 Black glass blowers. That was all we could find at the time. This is the greatest number of Black glass blowers any of us has ever seen in a room together. The energy was amazing.
Learn about glass artists and researchers in their own voice. To watch the full lecture and access hours of content at the GEEX Talks archive, subscribe at geeks.glass/support. Want a longer preview? Check out the GEEX Talks Q&A podcast for conversations featuring speakers responding to questions from the Geeks community. These episodes are publicly available on YouTube and wherever you listen to podcasts. Meet the future of glass at geeks.glass.